So in this video, we'll just be looking at ways of changing colors within an image, isolating particular flowers and changing their color. So we've got a municipal street side planting here of some very garishly colored primroses. I'm going to take these primroses here, because they're quite prominent in the front, so bright orangey yellow, and change their color. I'm going to do that by first of all selecting the select tool here, which allows me to, basically that's just by touching that image, it selected everything within that yellowy orange spectrum, but it's also selected these brighter yellow primroses to the front. So you can deselect those by holding down the Alt key, and that actually gets those. You can then just tap lightly. It's a good idea, incidentally, to do a series of little taps so you can always step backwards to the last point of selection rather than having to do the entire thing again. Anyway, those are all selected. They were selected that quickly. If we then go to Image and Adjust and Hue and Saturation, it brings up our slide again, and watch those primroses as we move the slide. And so, of course, you can go to completely lurid colors, but you can go to, let's say, a possible deep red. You can change the saturation, you can change the darkness of that. We could make it much darker, we could make it much lighter. But basically you have complete control over the coloration of just those specific flowers within that specific image. And then, of course, to get rid of the selection, you press Control D, and, oh sorry, I just need to OK that. Always remember to OK your color selection, and then Control D, and those are there. You'll notice that there is a slight halo on some of the edges there, which would need to be touched up. But I mean, that's just a minor question of touching up with the cloning tool there, whereby you can select a surrounding color and clone into that edge, which I'll describe on a separate video.